Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes. Today is Wednesday, March 17th, 2021, and I'm your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. Also, today is St. Patrick's Day. We're going to see a little more about that tomorrow. So, as you know, yesterday we saw about vacations. Vacations is when you don't work, don't study, you can relax, go to the beach. Oh yes. So for vacations we have to travel, and what we do, what kind of travel, by what can we travel? That's the question. Traveling by bike, horse, bus, train, ship, motorbike or motorcycle, hot air balloon, sailboat, motorhome, plane, or car. It's your choice. Or maybe it's not a choice. You need to, if you want to go to China, you need to take a plane or boat. So, but it's important to know these things. Where can we go? We have a lot of places. We can go to the beach, we can go to a village, we can go to the camp, to the city, to a seaside, to the mountains, to the forest, or even to a countryside. This is to choose what and where are we going to spend our vacations. Maybe you in summer go to a camp and stay there to, I don't know, there are technology camps or even to make robots camps, something like that. I even are in my when I was a child, there was a cooking camp where you cook. The accommodation, this is very important. Here is where you wanna stay in your vacations. You can even stay in a cabin, in a tent, in a hotel, in a cruise ship, in a caravan, or in a pension. A pension is like a house with a lot of rooms when people stay. And activities, there are a lot of activities. These are only examples, but there are a lot more. Okay, one of the things that we do before go to vacations is planning and packing. So those are essentials to go for vacations. These are the things that we can do when we are in vacation. We can go hiking, we can go canoeing, woo! We can do bungee jumping, diving, swimming, surfing, windsurfing, climbing. We can relax by floating, snorkeling, taking a sunbath, taking pictures, and grilling to make carnita asada. So, as you know, there are a lot of things that we can do on vacations. I want you to think on one of your favorite vacations ever that you have taken or going with your parents, maybe with your cousins, uncles, I don't know. But your favorite vacations, and what kind of vacation would you like? Where do you want to go? What do you want to do? Okay? Tomorrow we're going to do an activity about that. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow.